Day 2, final day hopefully. 3x2 flags for the steps. Right, steps now. We've managed to find the concrete underneath all the mud. What we're going to do is we're going to use 3x2s, which will go over there. So we're going to have 2 steps. First one's going to come to there because that's ground level. Then we're going to have 2 step up. Then it's a 440 flag, 30mm overhang, 900 wide. So we've got 30mm overhang this side as well. So this side will come up, and then we'll build the middle up, take the second step up to this level. So you'll have 1, 2, and then at the top we're going to backfill that, and we're going to bed a full flag onto that into the garden. So this is all set up for that. A few ties to tie everything in. I usually build a framework rather than fill them up solid, because you can get it all done in the day then. So that's it. I have nothing else to say. Let's crack on and get it built. Right, that's the first step done. Well, the shell looks high, but 2 of those courses are going to be below ground level. Deckings are going to come up to there. So now I'm going to start infilling inside and getting the next step set out, and then raise that up. So that's the second step formed, but that returns there, so obviously it can't return to nothing. So we put 2 block flat across here now to the centre of that line. So you've got 100mm that side, 100mm that side, 100mm this side. This step builds on top of this 100mm. You bed this flags onto, so you've got a framework, and I might just put a couple in the middle just for support. So they'll level that up flat, and then we can run the facework across then and form the next step. that's the steps done. Ready for flags. Nice and solid. So we'll cut these flags down now, get them bedded on, and then that one is going to be a full flag out into the garden. And then customer can decide what to do with it after that. I think they're going to seed it or turf it. This will be our bit done today. Just get the flag, get these two cut and get them on.
Oh, they still look big.
Make sure you bend your leg.
That's it. It's all lighter though.
Yeah. Careful as you go.
Where's this going?
Just leaning up against your arm or against the wall. And you like it? That's really welcome. Very steady. That's it, it's had a quick brick wash, that's what's finished. We've actually put a visqueen under because the ground level's come right up. We've put, built it under the brick and edge so it's sealed. Put a vertical damp between the wall and the garage. We've got 2 steps into the garden, which is another to be continued, and a little stretch there holding back next door's side. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and then check out our affiliate links below in the links. If you buy anything off there that we've recommended, we just get a little kickback of Amazon at no extra cost to you, so have a look down there. So thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.